breast implant patients are some of the happiest patients. They tend to be young, they tend to be healthy. The concept of enlarging the breast is a fairly simple one, so if we can get them to a larger breast and look natural, and their recovery process is smooth with a minimum amount of pain, they are some of the happiest patients we have. And that's typically the case. So when we do the surgery, the recovery, we walk them through the recovery. The first few days can be a little bit rough, but usually by 10 days, they're almost back to normal. They can start exercising again. They can start doing their normal activities. They've been off pain meds already by 10 days from several days prior to that. So, they're able to drive. Depending on what kind of work they do, they can go back to work if they have a more sit-down job. So the results are fairly quick, very quick and fairly straightforward. Sientra, not too long ago, came out with a whole suite of shaped implants. So the other manufacturers have come out with shaped implants as well, but Sientra was sort of first to that market and has more of a selection. So I like that, in that I can really customize the implant or choose the correct implant for the right patient. Not everyone needs shaped implants. In fact, most people don't. Most people need round implants. Round implants of various profiles do just fine for most patients, but there are those patients that would benefit from a shaped implant. They tend to be smaller breasted, maybe not a lot of their own shape to begin with, where a shaped implant can help give them some shape. But depending on their body shape, whether they're tall, wide, short, etc., you need to have some options, some implant selection to be able to choose for any given patient. So Sientra offers that. It's always gratifying for a plastic surgeon to have happy patients, and breast augmentation patients are some of the happiest patients. And because the recovery is fairly straightforward and relatively quick, they're usually happy fairly quickly after surgery. So I love doing breast augmentation, and the patients are fantastic.